As of March 2025, HUSQVARNA has not officially announced the release of a 2026 VITPILEN-701 model. The VITPILEN-701, first introduced in 2018, has been celebrated for its minimalist design and engaging performance. Engine and performance. The VITPILEN-701 is powered by a 692.7 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering approximately 75 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 72 Newton-meters of torque at 6,750 RPM. This setup offers a dynamic and responsive riding experience. Design and aesthetics. Emphasizing a minimalist and modern aesthetic, the VITPILEN-701 features clean lines and a cafe racer-inspired silhouette, appealing to riders seeking a unique urban motorcycle. Chassis and handling. The lightweight chassis, combined with high-quality suspension components, contributes to agile handling and a connected feel on the road. Availability and future prospects. While the VITPILEN-701 has garnered a dedicated following, specific details about a 2026 iteration are currently unavailable. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on future models, it is advisable to monitor official announcements from HUSQVARNA Motorcycles. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.